Welcome back, everyone. It's Chris from Chris Travels, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Uniden PRO505XL CB Radio. My stance on CBs has always been the same. You can never have too many things that will keep you safe. Although it seems that CBs are looked upon as a relic now, they're still being used. This CB radio has 40 channels, instant access to channel 9. This is a professional 40 channel CB radio. I love the graphics on this box. I think it's done it really well. Another language for you. And when we open the box, there's the mic and some mounting hardware. Owner's manual. Please read your owner's manuals. You're doing yourself a disjustice if you don't at least read your owner's manual at least once. You should always know how to operate your equipment. This is CB Radio service rules. Give this one a read too. You might learn something. And here's what we're all here for. The CB Radio. This is a really nice, compact CB radio. That is phenomenal. Have your volume, your squelch. This is where you put your microphone. And just like that, you have a complete CB radio. I will put Amazon affiliate links in the description box down below of this video if you are interested. And keep in mind, when you're using my affiliate links and decide to purchase something, at no cost to you, I earn a commission. And that commission really helps the channel. So thank you for all of your support. It really means the world to me. And I'll be connecting this CB with a 12-volt power connector. I'll be using the Road Pro CB power cord. Here is the Uniden PRO505XL. I did a quick install in my car just to get it running. This knob is for your power and volume. Here's your squelch. You change your channels with the arrows. Instant channel 9, which 9 is the emergency channel.
Right there, ain't no doubt about that. Hey, Dr. Love, listen, that's all you needed right there, right now. Ain't no doubt about it.
This switch allows you to change it from CB to PA. And that's pretty much it. It's a very basic CB, but sometimes all you need is just basic. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like and subscribe button and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this whole CB radio thing. I can't imagine not having one. Growing up with volunteer firefighters really taught me the importance of a CB radio. And it only takes one time getting stuck somewhere with no cell reception that you wish you had some way other than smoke signals to get someone's attention. And a CB radio might just do it. Just keep that in mind. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and hope to see you on the road.